I put all my money into the market. Everything that I had in my account, I threw it into the market. I did it because I saw a few good plays that I believe are gonna pay out. But actually, before I do, let me give you guys an update on my DraftKings haul. So I created this options stock tracker for the month of August. As you can see here, DraftKings, I bought it at a 270 premium with an expiration date of next Friday. I sold it for 170. So I sold it for a $100 loss. That was because it was as low as $1.25 premium, so $125. So once I saw it go 170, I was like, it's not gonna go higher than this. It's not. And as some of you may know, DraftKings rallied. It went back up. It went to where the premium was almost. It went up to 260. So I could have gotten out with a $10 loss versus a $100 loss. So I don't know why you keep doing it. I'm picking the right plays. I'm getting in there. I'm not holding it long enough. I need to be more patient. Anyways, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. So I put all my money into the market today, and I wanted to show you guys a few things that I kind of put it in. So as far as update on American Airlines, I am doing bad. American Airlines currently right now, the premium is about 16 cents per share. And as you can see, I purchased it at 58 cents a share. So not looking good. I purchased today a call option for Twitter. As you may have seen in the news, they have expressed their interest of wanting to purchase TikTok. I put it for a strike price of $38. I purchased it at $1.18 per share. Currently, it's at $1.20 per share. So that's up a little bit. I also purchased Zoom. So Zoom this week hit its lowest that it's been under its 50-day trading number mark, moving average. I'm playing it because they have their earnings report coming out after market close on the 31st, which is that Monday after. So I'm hoping that because it already hit its lows, it's gonna rally back up, and so I'm looking to make a good return on that. After I bought those calls, I was reviewing some stocks, and there were some stocks that I wanted to also play. And what's the point of having the money in the account if it's just gonna be sitting there? They're saying that because of all this inflation of everything, all the money that we're printing out, our actual money is becoming less and less valuable. I was like, you know what, let's put it into these stocks and into these stocks that I feel are going to give us some sort of return. So right now, one of the ones I bought was Snapchat. I purchased it because, well, over the last month, it's actually been trending down. So as you can see, lower lows. It was trending down for the month. But if you actually just look at the month of August, starting in the month of August, it's actually starting to trend up. So 2169. So on August 3rd, it closed at 21.22, low 21.35, 21.60, and now it closed at 21.69. And previously, within the month, it was trading up at 25. Correction, 25. I bought 3 shares of that. I purchased it at 21.69 a share, total cost of $65. I also got into Rocket Companies. Now, Rocket Companies, if it's fairly new, it just had its IPO. It's the sister company of Quicken Loans, so it's real estate. 2 days ago, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac announced that they were going to be charging higher fees for refinances. Some people are saying that, oh, they're just trying to take advantage of people right now where they need the money. Other people are saying they're just trying to protect themselves. Either way, I actually purchased it at 1901. But if you look here, earlier in the week, it was up about $24. So I think there's money to be made there. Even with the interest rates being low, with this additional charge that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are charging for refinances, people are still gonna do it. Either way, I think $19. They took that dip because of the news, but it's gonna climb back up. So that one I bought a stock of. And the other stock that I bought was DraftKings. Now DraftKings, I just can't get away from it, right? So DraftKings did have its earnings report out today. In the quarter, they lost more than what the market had predicted, but They ended off saying that because of sports being in right now with NBA finals coming up, NHL playoffs right now, the Stanley Cup playoffs is happening right now, and baseball's coming up next month in September. With those things all coming up, I think DraftKings is gonna have a strong third quarter, and it being at 33, it was up at 36 just yesterday when it closed, 35.90 something, but because it got beat down, it went down like 7%. Everything in the market is an overreaction, right? So it got beat down today because it just got its news, but it's okay. It's gonna go back up. So I ended up buying 5 shares of that. All in all, this week though, I am down. The week opened up at 760, and today I closed at $70 or I was 760. And I closed today at 700. Now, right now, if you look at it with aftermarket trading, I'm up to 701. Woo. And just so you can see kind of here how bad these things are. American Airlines, I'm down 42 bucks. Zoom, I'm down 12. But earnings report, it's gonna go up. Twitter, I'm up $2. Snapchat, I'm breaking even. It's back to where it's at. DraftKings, I'm up $1. Telling you. And then Rocket companies, I am down 55 cents. Now, DraftKings and Rocket, I bought 5 shares. That's kind of where all my money came up. So in my account now, I have $12.82. So I'm pretty excited. I think these are some solid moves. As far as what I'm realizing is that I need to have patience. You need to have patience. When you're doing trading options, you gotta have patience. If you don't have patience, then you're missing out. Everything that I've been purchasing. So DraftKings was a loss. Even I would have made my money back, but I could have mitigated my losses. It was correct that my play was to get it and sell it before earnings. It's just that I got scared. It was at 125, and then when it went to 170, I was like, just cash it out. Just cash it out. I'll just take $100 loss. We'll move on. But then the next day, it went up to like 33. I was down like 70 bucks, and then on yesterday before the earnings, it closed at almost 36, and it was at 260, and I was like, could have just lost $10 versus $100, but had I been patient, right? The call option is for the 21st. If I would have just waited and I had time, I should have just waited. Uber was a good one. I sold it right on time because when the earnings came out, it dropped. Snapchat, that one, I had more patience. I should have waited at least 2 more days. If I would have waited 2 more days, I could have made an additional like $20. American Airlines, it's gonna be a loss. I followed the headlines on that one. The TSA had said that the highest people that went through their terminals that day had gone up. It was the highest that it had ever been. It hit in the news. I saw it. I was like, oh, I'm gonna wake up early and I'm gonna buy it. And I did that and immediately started losing money. Twitter, I am trying to see 38 strike price. It's almost there. I brought it really close to in the money. Oh, okay, so Twitter's trading at 39.18. I had purchased it when it was just at about $38. I'm sorry, 37 and change. I am right now in the money, but again, patience. I'm gonna try some patience. I have it for the end of August. Like I said, they're trying to buy TikTok, so who knows, it might come out. But either way, guys, I'm down 60 bucks for the week, but it's all good. I think these $700, it's gonna generate me some return over the next 2 weeks. So I'll keep you guys posted. I wanna do more of these videos every single day, just so you guys kind of see the highs, the ups and the downs. At the end of the day, remember, I am not a professional. These videos are being made more for entertainment, just so you guys can see my struggles, what's going on. Anyways, peace.